Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, I'm cooking dinner. It's a special time for me to unwind and enjoy the quiet moments of the day. I'll share my simple dinner routine with you. You can relax, listen, and learn easy English with me. It will be a very calm and pleasant time together. I hope this video helps you feel comfortable while you learn. Before we start, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me make more calm English videos for you. I truly appreciate every one of you. Now, let's begin. It's evening now. The sun is setting, and the light is soft. I'm a little tired from my day, but cooking dinner helps me relax. The kitchen is my quiet space. Preparing a meal is like a small meditation for me. It's a peaceful way to end the day. I enjoy the process from start to finish. First, I wash my hands with warm water and soap. This is always the first step. It's important to be clean before cooking. Then, I prepare my ingredients. I take them out of the fridge and place them on the counter. Today, I'm cooking something simple and healthy. I have fresh vegetables, some fluffy rice, and a piece of chicken. I love using ingredients that are fresh and colorful. Simple food is my favorite. It feels nourishing and tastes wonderful. I believe the best meals are often the easiest to make. Let's learn some useful English words for this part. You can say, I get ready to cook. When you take out your food, you can say, I prepare ingredients. And when your meal is easy, you can call it a simple dinner. Now, I start cutting the vegetables. I have a beautiful wooden cutting board. I begin with the onions, slicing them carefully. Next, I chop the bright orange carrots and the fresh green peppers. The colors are so pretty. I take my time with each vegetable. There is no need to hurry. I like slow cooking. It feels peaceful and mindful. The gentle sound of the knife on the board is very calming. It helps me focus on the present moment. Cooking slowly makes the entire experience more enjoyable. I put everything into small bowls. I have a bowl for the onions, one for the carrots, and another for the peppers. This habit is called mise en place in French. It means everything in its place. This makes cooking much easier and more organized. The kitchen stays tidy, and I feel calm. Here are some phrases for this section. When you are chopping, you say, I cut vegetables. When you are not rushing, you can say, I take my time, and the bowls I use are called small bowls. Now, it is time to cook. I turn on the stove. I like the soft clicking sound it makes. I set the heat to medium. I heat the pan for a minute. A warm pan cooks the food evenly. I add a little olive oil to the pan. Then, I gently place the chicken in the hot pan. The sound is nice. It makes a soft sizzling noise. I stir slowly and carefully with my wooden spoon, making sure it cooks perfectly. After a few minutes, I add the vegetables to the pan. The onions, carrots, and green peppers join the chicken. The colors are beautiful together. The mix of orange, green, and white looks lovely against the browning chicken. The kitchen starts to fill with a wonderful aroma. Let's review the vocabulary. You can say, I turn on the stove. Then, I heat the pan. When you move the food around, you can say, I stir slowly. While the food is cooking, I check the rice. I cooked it earlier in my rice cooker. I lift the lid and a cloud of steam comes out. The rice smells good. It's perfectly fluffy and warm. A simple bowl of rice makes any meal feel complete and comforting. Cooking takes time, so I wait patiently. I don't rush the process. Good food needs love and time. While I wait for the chicken and vegetables to finish cooking, I do a little cleaning. I wipe the countertops and wash the cutting board. Small cleaning tasks like this make me feel calm and organized. A clean space is a happy space. Here are some useful phrases. You can say, while cooking, to talk about doing something at the same time. When something has a nice scent, you say it smells good, and when you are calm and not in a hurry, you wait patiently. Now, my dinner is ready. The chicken is cooked, and the vegetables are tender. I turn off the stove. The kitchen becomes quiet again. The beautiful smell of the cooked meal fills the air. It's a very satisfying feeling. I take a pretty plate from my cabinet. I carefully put the food on a plate. The colorful vegetables and the golden chicken look simple, but delicious. I add the fluffy rice on the side. A simple, homemade meal is the best. I carry my plate to the dining table. I sit down at the table and take a moment to appreciate my food. This is my favorite moment of the evening. It's a quiet time just for me to enjoy the meal I prepared with care. Let's learn the last few phrases. You can announce, "Dinner is ready." When you are done cooking, you turn off the stove. And when you get to the table, you sit down. That's my simple dinner routine. Thank you for cooking with me today. I hope you found it relaxing and learned some new English words. Cooking can be a wonderful way to practice a new language. Let's practice 3 sentences together. Please repeat after me. I'm cooking dinner. I'm preparing my food. I like simple meals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. I love reading your comments and knowing you are learning with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.